Y'all, it's rainy as shit out here. And I was about to go to sleep, but I was like, hell nah. I'm about to go try to drift my bike and shit. So that's why I'm out here. I'm gonna try to drift my fucking bike. Hell yeah. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, bet y'all. This is the best camera angle I could get. No, we dropped the bike. No, we dropped the bike. We dropped the bike, bro. We cooked. No. Hey, hell yeah. I dropped. Yo, this is cooked. This bike is a G. This bike is a G. It was made for me. This bike was made for me, bro. We chilling.